Master the art of choosing a superstar contractor for house renovation. Imagine standing in your future dream home, but first, you need the perfect contractor to bring it to life. Your choice of contractor can make or break your renovation journey. It's not just about hiring skills, it's about finding a trusted partner to transform your vision into reality. Start with credentials. Ensure your contractor has proper licenses, insurance, and certifications. A reputable professional won't hesitate to provide these details. Next, dive into their track record, seek reviews, talk to past clients, and inspect their completed projects whenever possible. These steps are your safety net against potential headaches. A great contractor listens attentively, addresses your concerns, and explains processes in clear, simple terms. Pay attention to how they engage with you early on. Poor communication is a red flag, while proactive, transparent dialogue signals a trustworthy professional who will keep you informed throughout your renovation. Budgeting can feel overwhelming, but a stellar contractor simplifies it. Request a detailed, itemized estimate covering labor, materials, and contingencies. Avoid choosing the cheapest bid blindly, it often signals compromises in quality. Instead, look for value, the best craftsmanship at a fair price. Consider innovative financial solutions like Home Equity Invoice Agreements, HEIA, where project costs align with your property's equity. This ensures accessibility without sacrificing quality. Timelines are critical. Choose a contractor who provides specific, realistic schedules and discusses potential challenges openly. A superstar contractor anticipates delays and plans to minimize disruption during your home transformation because living amidst renovation chaos is no homeowner's dream. Browse the contractor's portfolio. This showcases their expertise and style. But don't stop at admiring photographs. Ask questions about challenges they faced and how they solved them. Ensure their experience aligns with your project needs, whether it's a modern open concept or a vintage restoration. Trust your gut. If something feels off during your interactions, investigate further. A reliable contractor welcomes tough questions and demonstrates professionalism and transparency. Remember, this is a partnership. You need someone skilled, honest, and committed to turning your dream into reality. Choosing the right contractor isn't just a step, it's the foundation. Use these strategies to find your superstar and set your renovation up for success. Ready to take the first step? Start vetting contractors today and turn your renovation dreams into reality. Your dream home is closer than you think.